beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk about all the approvals I've been seeing for the Toyota car. Now, I've been telling you guys about the Toyota car and other credit cards that are out there. So I definitely want to do like a recap, and hopefully you guys will watch this video and you guys will go and apply for it if this is something that you guys are interested in. Now, I see a lot of approvals for the Toyota credit card, but it's other credit cards very similar that I want to talk about too. And I'm going to have an individual video for that credit card also. But there's other credit cards that I do want to talk about with you all that I really want you guys to potentially check out too. But with the Toyota card, you guys, this credit card is with Community Bank, and they can actually pre-qualify you for this credit card without a hard inquiry, which is something I really love. It was listed under one of the credit cards that you could pre-qualify for without a hard inquiry, because I have a lot of credit cards that can do that on my website. And I've seen that a lot of people were able to actually pre-qualify for this credit card, even if they did not have the best of credit. Now, I am doing a 60 points in 60 days live event where I'm going to teach you guys how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. I think this is going to help a lot of people get approved for more credit. We are in a recession. I don't care what anybody say, we are in a recession. And while we're in this recession, you guys, it's going to be hard to get credit. If your credit score is higher and you start working to improve your credit, then you have a greater chance of getting approved for credit cards. I see a lot of people say, I'm not able to get this, I'm not able to get that. Well, what's going on with your credit? Because there's something going on with your credit which is not allowing you to get that credit card. So I want to figure out, what's going on with you guys, and I'm going to teach you guys the 5 easy ways on how to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. As you can see right here, 113 points. That's at one time, you guys. Like, whoop, 113 points. You guys, I hope that you guys will see more of an increase, but we'll see. But definitely make sure you use that link down below, because if you guys use that link down below, I'll tell you guys when I'm actually having my events and you guys can actually sign up for it. Now, come prepared, because I'm going to tell you guys so many different things on how to increase your credit score. And one of the things is, if you guys don't have 4 accounts, then you need to apply for accounts. And I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. We're going to go through all of those accounts at once together as a group. So definitely come. Now, one of the cards I'm definitely going to talk to people about is a Toyota credit card, which is why I want to make this video, just in case somebody wants to come back and watch it. Now, let's look at this Toyota credit card, because I love that they can actually do a pre-qualification. Now, the pre-qualification, again, they're going to check without impacting your credit, which is really good, which means that it's not going to be a hard inquiry. It will be a soft inquiry. And when it comes down to this one is the store card. This is the one that you can use in the store. Now, somebody said that they were able to get this credit card, you guys, and it helped them so much. And they actually got it with the shopping cart trick. So they said it worked for the Toyota credit card. For me, they got a $1,500 limit. They did pull Experian and Equifax sale. And they got the 6 months no interest financing, and they said this under a shopping cart trick video, you guys. And I don't know if you guys know what the shopping cart trick, but the shopping cart trick is when you guys can get approved for credit cards without a hard inquiry a lot of times. And a lot of people, if you guys don't have the best of credit, you can still potentially get approved for like store cards and things like that. And that's one of the store cards. So I'm going to go over that later on to see if I can get the shopping cart trick to work for this credit card, and I'll definitely let you know. But right now, this one has the pre-qualification, so that's kind of what I want you guys to check out and see if you can do it. Now, for the pre-qualification, you are going to need to put a few things in. So they're going to need your personal information, which is your first and last name. They're going to need your full social, but it is a pre-qualification. Hopefully, they're not going to give you a hard inquiry. I haven't heard anybody say they got a hard inquiry from checking, but usually they ask for the last 4 digits of your social security number when you're doing a pre-qualification, but sometimes they could still ask for your full social. Now, just go ahead and put your social in, then your annual income. Now, if you're married in Wisconsin, don't forget you can use your spouse's income because it's community property, but definitely make sure you read all of this information in here, and then you can decide what income you want to actually include. Now, they want to know your address. You cannot use PO boxes or anything like that. They're saying no PO boxes. So You just go ahead and put your zip code in, put your address in with your city and state. City and state may auto populate after you put your zip code in. Do not make that mistake when you're filling out this application. And then you have to go through the terms. So make sure you guys read the terms. After you read the terms, then you can go ahead and click agree, and then you can click continue. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, you guys, this is a pre-qualification. So they're going to let you know yes or no on whether or not they can get you approved for this credit card. And hopefully they are able to get you approved for this credit card. Now, something I do want to point out to you is that some people, it's like I said, it's similar credit cards to this. And some people say it's an order in which you should get these credit cards if you want to get multiple credit cards with community banks. So somebody posted this here. They were stating that basically you want to get the Toyota credit card before you get the Lexus credit card, because if you get the Lexus credit card first, you are not going to be able to get the Toyota credit card. So they want you to get the Toyota credit card first. I have a video about the Lexus credit card, so definitely you guys check that out. But definitely work to get that Toyota credit card, which is this one first, and then go to the Lexus credit card. Now, I talked to you guys about other credit cards outside of this Toyota and Lexus. You got the Yamaha too. And I talked to you guys previously about that. And that's where this person left a comment about the $10,000 on the Yamaha video. So maybe you guys will possibly have a greater chance of getting this Toyota credit card than you guys will be able to get that Lexus, not the Lexus, but the Yamaha. And then I also found this comment to you guys. Somebody said they was able to get approved for the Lexus card, but they got denied for the Toyota card. So try to see if you can get that Lexus card. Check out that video and see if you can actually get approved for it. All of these credit cards are definitely on my website, you guys. So I definitely want you guys to check it out. If you guys ever have any questions, make sure you guys let me know your questions. And I hope that I see you at my live event, 60 points in 60 days. I know that we're going into a deeper recession, and I want to make sure that we are protected in terms of we have resources. Just in case you lose your job, you have a backup plan. Some people don't have money saved. I want to make sure that you guys are, if you can, refinancing your vehicles or doing whatever you can do to cut expenses, doing balance transfer to save interest. Do whatever you can do so that you guys just don't get washed away with the recession. Like, that's it. I've seen it happen before. I was much younger than I've seen it happen with a lot of people losing their homes and all those different things. So I want to make sure that your credit score is the best so that your opportunities are open to you. You're not restricted. If you guys do not have the best of credit, you can't go ahead and refinance your house. Sometimes it's hard to do modifications and things like that with your mortgages, or if you want to try to refinance your mortgages, it's hard to do different things when your credit is bad. So I wanted to make sure I do the 60 points in 60 days, and I can't wait to see your results. I know it's going to be so many results because 60 points to me in 60 days is easy, very easy. But hopefully I'll see you there. If you guys ever have any questions, definitely let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.